Hey guys, hello and welcome to a new video. Today I will be doing the meal prep case from the German semifinal. You can play it on the platform or search it or buy it in the shop. And yeah, without further ado, I will jump right into it. It's a data case, so yeah. Dish and name this code. Code. Okay. XLOOKUP for dish, returning the code, and then rows and text split. Okay, level 1 done. One ingredient is given and we want to determine in how many dishes this ingredient is required. Okay. Now we will need to be sure about, okay. So if we add to this at the beginning a semicolon space and use this, then we can do sum minus is number, search for semicolon space and the ingredient, and then the double point, search, find this text in CC, and if it's given, give me a number, otherwise give me false, and then we can sum this up. Okay, so far so good. Percentages. For each recipe, each ingredient has a different weight. This weight is given in percentage. Okay. So for the recipe or the dish, I want to have the code, and then I'm searching for the ingredient in there and hand out the percentage. So text after ingredient and no, this is the limiter here, sorry. Text after this and then before the semicolon, and then 10 times this, no, 100 times this, because it's here stored as a full number, not as the percentage given. And we are done. No, wrong data table. Level 4. No, use code. Okay. Is text after the given ingredient, and then text before the delimiter to call 25, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. Here sum is okay. Text after this and Okay. This should be away. I'm an idiot. This. Why are you? Okay. And then 10 times sum minus. No, we don't need. Oh, we need it. Because we 1,000 times. I hope this is alright. Yes, seems like it. No, it's not. Oh, boys. And there's a lot wrong. The question is why? Tofu. Tofu. Tofu is 65. Equals filter code if is number search tofu in code. Oh, that's more. It's normal tofu 15, 25, 30, 25, 20, 20, 20, 10, and it's missing. Okay, why? It's 35, it's not missing, not missing, not missing, not missing, missing. If it's at the end, it's missing. That's interesting. Oh yeah. If not found, then hand me out this. No, that's not good. Yeah, of course, if it's at the end and at text before. This is the issue with those cases. Okay, still run wrong. And do I want to go deeper, dig deeper? What should be the answer? Way less. Yeah. It might be that I'm not distinguishing between multiple rice sorts, and so oh boys. So I should use here that way, and 450. Yeah, okay. So that was the issue. There are multiple rice and with rice sorts, and with this I've always included that it's written in that the ingredient is written in that format. Okay, we want to determine which ingredients are truly relevant in a recipe. Okay, we have 3 dishes. Okay. To determine which is to the right, considered relevant if it's make of at least 20%. Calculate all ingredients. Okay, so give me the dishes. Oh, okay, note. This is important. Sure. Okay, filter code if this equals this. Okay, only one for everyone, for every recipe. And then we use text join if there are multiple recipes. Then we split by row. And then we figure out if it's more or less than 20%. More or equal 20% or less. Okay. Text before, and since it's with dynamic arrays, it's not an issue. Text after larger equal 20%. Now we have it. Sorted in alphabetical order. So if filter and to call sort. Couscous and unique after sort is faster, although this might not matter. Text join with a comma, and we have it. Is it the same? Yes. Okay. 81, 100, B1, B4. Calculate it. Yay! Okay, with this note, and yeah, reading is important, it should be doable. Now you want to find out what dishes you can cook from the given list of ingredients. Okay. So you want to find out if all ingredients in your recipe are available within here. Okay. Dish and code. Okay, I want to split this by column, and then I want to figure out if all ingredients are in here. So no X match. Those in this here. Product minus minus is number. And then if all is true, we can cook it. Otherwise, we cannot cook it. Some minus, great. No, 5 should be the answer. Okay, let's use the example. Great. Buddha bowl. F double D or not? Double D. Why? Buddha. No, why it's not matching? Interesting. Here's Buddha bowl. Quinoa, Süßkartoffel. So, okay. Okay, we check it with this. Okay, we split. I've forgot to use text before. Yes, of course. Because otherwise we include the percentage. Still wrong, but okay. Text split by semicolon. Use text before the double point. And then X match if this is available here. It's not available. Of course, with the right dynamic array, it is working. Okay, here it's 5, and therefore we can use equal sum of this area 101, 120, B1, B4. Calculated. And it's nearly all right. Do I want to check for this? 114. It's off by 1. Might be the unique recipes. Note. So I cannot use some filter. I need to do this differently. I need to then use filter, this, and then use unique. Reading, although it's good that it's only one level where it's important. Rows, dynamic array, yes. M101, 120, B1, B4. Okay. Yes. Level 7. What do I still need to buy? Now you are at the supermarket and know exactly what you have at home, as well as how each recipe is made. However, you want to buy at least one ingredient, or are able to buy one ingredient, and with this ingredient added, you might be able to cook the dish. Oh boy, that is calculation intensive. That is something I can say. Okay, 7, example 7. Okay. Now okay. How do I want to tackle this? That's a question. So first, all ingredients here. Okay, yeah. First, I want to have all ingredients. Therefore, I'm using reduce. And cc lambda a b or is it? Yeah, it might be too much to text join, but that would be preferred. Let's see. Text split. We have all ingredients. Okay. It is not too much to text join, so no need to reduce. Text before. And then unique. And exclude this at the top. Okay, 282 ingredients. Great. Yeah. Okay. To row of those 282 ingredients, and then I'm using here the fixed column and here an each stack of this in the ingredient, which is row fixed. And then I'm tracking this aside for all 280. I'll copy it. That's also possible, yes. And then track it down. This is a lot to calculate, I know. And then sum, or by call sum, and then we use max match. Max match, max lookup. Then we look up for the maximum in here, returning the given ingredients we added there. 121, 140, B1, B4. This might calculate for quite some time because we have there this matrix of 280 ingredients and 1000 dishes or so, or multiple thousand dishes, and in this for 20 levels might take some time. I think there are more intelligent ways to do it, but that's the that's the thing I figured out to do. Okay, there's some wrong. 124. Oh yeah, okay. So there might be that there are multiple. List them by comma. Reading. But that should, yeah, okay. This would take some time to calculate, but we can use max for this, and then filter this if equals max, and then use text join for the filtered 121, 140, B1, B4. Now we have to wait again. Yeah. Okay, yeah, looks more like the intended answers. Sorted alphabetically. Sort by column. Well, the thing is that if you have like the answers, and I'm training with answer cases to spot errors at the beginning, you do not have to read. It's not the best training for for this, but yeah. But better than expected. I think we are 27 minutes. Hopefully the bonus questions will not take that long. But let's see. I'm also kind of short on time, so yeah, everything right. At least all levels were able to be cleared. How many dishes have the highest number of ingredients? Number of ingredients. Rows. Text split. Is it some unique count? Number of dishes, number of ingredients. There's no unique count, so most of, group by count, insert order -1, 9, 6. 9, 6. Number of dishes, number of ingredients. Oh no. 6, 9. For how many dishes are there multiple recipes? So most of value in area dish. For 13. If you cook 500 grams of each dish, which ingredients will you need the most? Hello. Okay, this is not intelligent. Where are all my unique ingredients? Ah, no, there. So here are all ingredients. Here are all the dishes. And now I want to have the percentages. Okay, this is super inefficient, this solution. Oh no, this is not working because we're not always having this dish in there. In this case we have it, but we might use this. Let's try it. Row fixed, column fixed, some errors. If error 0, and drag down, and then it's simple sum or by call sum max lookup Skarnelen. Yes. How many vowels are there in the given data? So in this here. Okay. Do I have here some space somewhere? Should not have done this. Equals split text into letter arrays. Is vowel. I do not have an is vowel. Interesting. X match this in haystack. No. Haystack. It's case insensitive as far as I know. And then is number sum minus 0. No. This can't be the case. This auto completion. Okay, I have a sum. It is right. How many unique ingredients include a percentage number? Do not all ingredients include a percentage number? I think so. So I'm taking all my unique ingredients as the answer, which is how many of those include a percentage number? Interesting. Is number search? Oh no. Search for percentage in here. Nine. Yes. Okay. I think we are at 40 minutes. Oh no, 35. Bonuses were cool. The remaining part is was kind of a struggle to keep up with all the different formats, and take a look that you're keeping it in the right order, that you not forget that here at the end is not a semicolon, and under competition conditions it's super bad, and it was also not good doing this here, but that's the thing. It's data and we're handling data, and therefore we should be able to do this. So yeah, always good to train on it. So thank you again, or thank you for your attention. I hope to see you on my channel with the next video, which might be the finals case of the DACH chapter. Let's hope that this will be better. At least it will be better than in the live thing. That's some